reason why people are failing at print on demand. If they're just going after the same type of products or the same type of designs, this is where we have to break that pattern. My wife was telling me just the other day that on one of her designs, she probably had 50 different pieces to that she had put together from various places, right? I mean, some were in Canva, some were at Creative Fabrica, some maybe she had found on another design site. And then she compiled all of these and she built a really unique design that for someone else to do, it's going to be really, really hard. So that's a way to differentiate yourself and not just chase what everyone else is doing. But the other thing is the types of products. Yes, sweatshirts. Yes, t-shirts. It's a given. You're probably going to offer those. You're probably going to offer coffee mugs. Why not, right? They're there. I've done videos on this channel where I show you how to take one design and put it on multiple products and all of that stuff. But what else could you offer? Could you offer puzzles? I know it sounds weird, right? Like a puzzle. If someone that you are buying a gift for is into bass fishing, like really into bass fishing, could you create something that was tailored towards that person as bass fishing? And then that would be a puzzle that they would give as a gift? Maybe, right? Maybe it's a certain fishing place that people go to, right? And then now all of a sudden you go ahead, you get a picture of that area, you add some stuff to it, and then it's a puzzle and that fisherman might want to put that together around the holidays, right? Because they like fishing and that would be fun. And then they can hang it up and they can, go ahead and glue it all together and frame it. Like there's a lot of things that we can do that we're not thinking of doing. But once we have that customer, we can start thinking about these other products and not just your typical pod products. I'm trying to find other products that, yes, they might not be in demand right now, but it's a product that if they saw it, they might want to buy it. So I might lead them in with your typical products, right? And then we'll add those other things. So that's what I mean by following the same pod model is they're just selling the same stuff, right? And not going outside the box.